What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Tucson remote key fob. This Hyundai Tucson key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the key will pull out like that. Now we're going to use this key to open this key fob, and there's a few different ways you can do this. The way that I think is the easiest is to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of the fob, this is the end that this emergency key originally came out of. What I'm going to do is take my key, and I'm going to put it in right here. I'm going to hold it there, and then I'm going to pry down, and as I pry down, the key is going to kind of push up, so it'll kind of look like this. Pry down, and the key comes up rather. So put your key right in the middle of the fob. Position it like that, as far as in as it will go. Then I'm going to touch the key down here and make sure that's touching. Then I'm just going to pry down like that, and as I pry down, it kind of pushes the key up and splits the case apart. Pull the back half of the case off and we see our battery right here, and this battery will just slide out of this holder like that. Once we get the old battery out, we're going to install the new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up. Plus side up. So we have our battery installed with the positive side up, plus side up. Then we'll snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.